Thanks for watching our videos, and welcome to our channel Power Health. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you want to receive each new. These two national ingredients help to lose sagging arms. Our body stores a large amount of fat in different parts of the body. Sometimes it can also be liquid, this makes it look flabby. Many people take care of this aspect as they aesthetically do not look anything good, but fortunately can be corrected in a natural way without resorting to surgery, and that is what you will learn today. We will give you the recipe of a natural remedy to eliminate the sagging of the arms with great ease. Steps to remove fat from the arms. 1. Take care of food. The first thing you have to do is to lead a healthy and balanced diet. Protein is essential for health because it helps nourish and for muscles and skin. If you do not consume the protein your body needs, the muscle will turn into fat more easily. You have to know how to choose quality protein and not those with high fat content. The recommended ones are white meats, fish, eggs, vegetables, nuts, milk and goat's or sheep's cheese. 2. Moisturize the skin to give firmness. It is not necessary to use an expensive cream, we can use any moisturizing lotion or oils, such as almond or coconut, that is very nutritious and leaves our arms well hydrated. 3. Exercises. So that the muscle is not flaccid, they should spend 5 to 10 minutes of exercise a day, so you can strengthen the arms, and in a short time, you will notice how the sagging is disappearing. You can use small weights if you wish. 4. Cold water baths. Cold water is a great tonic, and it improves blood flow quickly. Avoid taking a shower with very hot water, and if you do, make sure the last jet is cold. When performing alternating baths of cold water and hot water helps the circulation. During the day, rub an ice in the arm. Recipe to eliminate the flexity of the arms. Ingredients. 1 cup of coffee grounds, can be used. 3 tablets of camphor. Artichoke water. Preparation. First you have to boil an artichoke in 2 cups of water, for 30 minutes, and then mix the artichoke with the same water. Add the coffee grounds and camphor tablets and place it in the desired area. Cover with a cover or cloth to keep warm and leave to act for 1 hour. This will help with localized fat. Doing these simple steps will accelerate the process of toning the arms and can achieve greater firmness. Hopefully this remedy will be of great help and eliminate in a short time the flexity of the arms. We hope you enjoyed this video, and do not forget to share it with your friends and family. If you do not want to lose any of our videos, click down on the subscribe button. Here we leave you some videos that can be useful. Thank you very much for your visit.